Here, I have installed some applications to handle my purchase, inventory, manufacturing, sales and invoicing, and a barcode application to handle my inter-warehouse transfers and sales more easily. For this demo, I have set up two companies as Ozor, which is our factory, and another one Ether HD, which is our sister company. Since we have two companies set up in our system, we are now able to enable both companies at once for better report purposes. Or switch between Ozor and Ether HD. Here, we can choose which products and raw materials belong to which company. There will not be any mix-up between transactions as well. Now let's go to inventory and see some of our basic configurations. Let's go to our Bareilly warehouse and see which company it belongs to. Perfect, it's under Ozor, which is our factory. Now, let's go our locations under Bareilly warehouse. Here we have a location for our raw materials, another location for raw materials to be sent to the factory, another one to store our finished products. We also have multiple operation types like, for receiving our purchased raw materials, to do an inter-warehouse transfers, to handle deliveries to our customers, to handle returns and manufacturing. We also have product categories like raw materials, finished products, etc. We are also able to manage reordering, whether to buy or manufacture, or even resupply from another warehouse. For example, as you can see, I have set up a minimum and maximum quantity for our coffee table. And when I reach to a minimum quantity in a specific location, the system will automatically trigger a purchase order or a manufacturing order based on my coffee table setting. Now let's see what information we can get from a single product. For example, let's check one of our raw material. It has its name. We can choose if we want to sell it or purchase it. We can enter its cost and set the product category, give it a code, and of course, which company it belongs to. We can also specify who our supplier is for this product along with their price. Beside that, we have the option to choose whether to buy or manufacture it when we reached a minimum quantity. On top, we have smart buttons to show us to each detail of that product. Let's jump to our coffee table, take advantage of the top located smart buttons. We can see how many coffee tables we have on hand, its components, its cost analysis, and many more. I will come back on another video to show you how we can take advantage of our inventory application and how it works using a barcode scanner.